50 years ago, our first road products were introduced. Soon after, Putoline expanded into off-road racing. This is when we specialized in providing two-wheeler products, proudly based on 50 years of experience. We continue developing our entire product line so that we can offer the latest high-end lubricants that protect, optimize, and clean your two-wheeler. From speed riders to retro bikers, our products ensure maximum performance. They optimize and extend the engine life and reduce maintenance costs. Whether you are racing under demanding and extreme conditions or having to trust your bike during an enduro race, Putoline takes away all your concerns and gives you 100% reliability to enjoy every second of riding. Unleash your adventure and take the best out of your motorcycle with Putoline. The quality of the products and the organization is guaranteed on an international level, both in home markets as well as in the many export markets. We are Putoline. We are driven by technology.